Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with a nail tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. So in today's video we do have some Madam Glam gel polishes and I absolutely love them. These are my all-time favorite polishes, so thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending on over their 4 latest new nudes on their website, and I absolutely fell in love with them just because they are on the jelly side of like nudes and you could build it up to your liking. So I absolutely love that. Those are like my top favorite type of gel polishes right now. The colors that you can build up to your liking, and nudes of course, they're just so beautiful, so classic and elegant. Here I'm just gonna briefly show you the colors, what they look like, their consistency. I always mention they're amazing. If I could definitely recommend a brand, it would be Madam Glam. I do have a discount code for you all. It is JennyG30 for 30% off. Here I'm just briefly showing you the colors. I did some swatches. They're just so beautiful, and this is with one coat, and you could also build it to your desired liking. I love them just like this. They are so beautiful, and I love how on the top of the bottles they also show you the colors. So here I'm just doing a transition on over to my nails placed on, and these are full coverage nails from, I think it's called nailscatcat.com, and yeah, these are in square and these are soft gel nails. So I really like these in particular. They're very nice. They bring 360 pieces, so depending on what style and what length and stuff, that's how many pieces they bring. I actually just noticed that. But anyways, here I'm just going in and removing the shine off the surface of these full coverage nails, and then we're gonna get on over to starting the nail tutorial. I did forget to apply some base coat in this video, so I apologize for that, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and thank you so much to those who are still watching me till this day. I appreciate all your love and support. But yeah, I definitely love these gel polishes. I love that they're vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, and they last about a year or so. So they have great ingredients, and that's very important, you know. So I genuinely love everything that Madam Glam I'm sorry. I genuinely love everything that Madam Glam stands for. These are gel polishes. They do have to be cured under the lamp, and also they are 15 ml each bottle. So here we're just gonna go on moving forward. I am just reshaping the nails to my liking a little bit, and then we're gonna get on over to doing the nail set. And for this particular nail set, I am like in love with marble, so I decided to do a very subtle light marble, and I loved how it came out. I thought it looked so beautiful and so elegant. You guys will see for yourselves. Let me know your opinions, your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. If you have any questions, always leave them down below. I do try my best to get to everybody. But and thank you for those who do take their time to comment. I really appreciate that. But yeah, here I'm just gonna reshape them a little bit, and I'm gonna go and move on over to show you guys how I did the really beautiful marble using, I think it was 2 colors. Yeah, I think I did the marble with 2 colors, and I used in particular I used Pearly as the base color for all the nails. You guys will see I'm talking a little bit ahead of time so I apologize for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love that you guys gave me on my last video. I hope you guys enjoyed that and enjoyed watching it. So yeah, like I was mentioning, I am using Pearly as the base color for all the nails, so that's what I'm going to be doing here. And I did do 2 coats for that one in particular, but like I mentioned, you can actually do as many as you like. And actually for this particular look, I should have done just 1 coat because it would have been more noticeable if I would have made it more translucent. But I just thought about that now. You guys would have been able to tell more like the marble that I did if I wouldn't have made it so opaque, but that's completely fine. It still looks really pretty. And I do have some after pictures towards the end of the video, so stay tuned if you want to see those. I really like how those pictures came out. But yeah, these polishes, they're just like, I don't even know how to explain the formula. They're just amazing, honestly. Like, and I put that on anything. Like, I'm being 100% genuine. They are amazing. The formula, there's just, it's like heaven in a bottle. Love Madam Glam. Love them, like love them. Like I genuinely love them. So yeah, these are the 4 latest gel polishes, that nude gel polishes. So we have Flirty, we have Pearly, we also have Friendly, along with Simplicity. And I love the names of these, are so beautiful. I believe I used pretty much all of them except for Flirty, so I'll definitely have to use those in the near future. But I'm definitely going to be using these sets, like these gel polish nude colors, for like future sets for myself, because they're very, very beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so sorry that I've been rambling this whole video, but you know, I feel like some people might get bored if all they do is hear the same old boring music that I put in all my videos. So I want to be more like interactive and like more vocal in my videos if I can. So yeah, that is the reason why I just prefer to talk and ramble and not make sense sometimes, and like, you know what I mean. So I just want to be more interactive in my video content, if that makes any sense. But yeah, now we're moving on to some blossoming gel. This one is from Emily. I did purchase it through Amazon and I recommend it 100%. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to each nail as I'm working with it. And then I'm going to go and just put some dots of the colors of my desired liking, grab a nail art brush, and then just marbleize it to what makes me happy. And then I'm gonna go in and carry it under my Eno Couture UV lamp for 60 seconds. By the way, I love that lamp. It's so pretty. I definitely recommend, if you're looking for a really good lamp, the Eno Couture one is really, really good. I believe it's 72 watts and it's currently on sale for like $50. I think with taxes like 60 or 65, and usually it's $200. So you just literally can't go wrong. And also what I loved about it was how beautiful it is aesthetically. And I was looking for a pink lamp anyway because I wanted it to match my setup and for it not to take too much space. So it was like the perfect one. But yeah, I'm getting off topic, but I'm just saying, like, if you guys are looking for an inexpensive one, it's only $50 right now. And it's really, really good. I actually had seen Emily Susanna with it and I just knew I had to get it because it was really pretty and I liked the way that it looked, and I loved how it was 72 watts because I was originally working with like 40 something, like it was a low wattage. So yeah, here I'm just going in and showing you guys the process. It's super easy, anybody can do it. You can do it with whatever colors you like. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys try that out. And like I always mention, if you guys do recreate any of my nail sets, or if you just want to like show me your nail sets, I would love to repost it on my story. So yeah, I always like to mention that. But now we're just working on the last finger, the pinky finger, and then I'm gonna move on forward to also using the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. It is amazing as well, really great quality. I had to mattify these nails, they were just gonna look so much better that way. And before I did that though, I went ahead and put some rubbing alcohol or acetone, whatever you have, just to remove the tacky layer because I didn't want lint getting on my nails before applying the matte top coat. So that is what I am doing here. And then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and apply some cuticle oil from House of Supplies. And I actually am super excited because I have forgotten that I actually ordered a nail art mystery box from them, and I am super excited. I'm actually gonna go check after this video and see where it is right now, but I'm super excited to receive it and make a video on that. So I just want to see what it includes. So I'm really happy and I wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you guys have purchased it already. It's on their site. It's like $14.99, but with everything you end up paying like $19, I think, with taxes, or $20. So I'm just really excited to see what it brings. Oh, and by the way, this is like so random, but please, if anybody knows where I could purchase designer nail charms, please let me know, because I've been on a hunt and I can't really find anywhere where I can purchase designer nail charms. I realize that I have all these charms, but I don't have designer nail charms. So please let me know if you guys know where I can buy like different variety for a good price. Please let me know if you know or you have them yourself, because I definitely want to add that to my collection. So that's enough rambling. This is what the nails look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.